Hello everyone. How are you doing today? Guess what? I'm unboxing my first food processor. It can chop, mince, slice, knead a dough, and two more things for me. Growing up, I remember my mom having a mixer grinder, and she would grind all the things for idli, for cutlets, for more things like handwa, mucha in that, and it was electric. And she also had another manual tools such as chakri and other things. So she had a well-equipped kitchen, but for me, I wanna go one step further, and that's why I ordered a food processor. I think I'm gonna absolutely love it. So let's not waste time and dive into unboxing my first food processor. Alrighty, it's a neat box, whatever, and there we go. Ta-da! Sunny side up. Ta-da! It's a mini juicer. I forgot to say. It's a mini food processor. So let's see. I got it from Walmart, by the way. And you can feed tube. There is a feed tube, so it can directly feed into your bowl instead of feeding in this bowl and then transferring. So it basically pre-processes your food. Pulse, there is pulse. The capacity is 1.5 cup, which is absolutely fine. It's BPA free. It is there's a pusher as well, block of cheese, multiple accessories. Yeah, these are the 5 things it can do. Great. So I have a bottle gourd. I can grind it, grind maybe dates or whatever, slice it. I can slice cucumber, whatever, shred cheese. Shred is grating, shredding is same, but shredding is into still smaller pieces. Chop and mix. Chop veggies, chop cucumber, onion, beet, whatever. So, and any other instructions? There are pictures, the easy and elegant way to enjoy it. And multiple accessories, yeah. Oh! And there is an instruction manual. It's important because it's my first time. Stop for customer support. It's funny. And tips and hints. Wow, they have included tips and hints as well. And care and maintenance using your food processor, and there is a limited one-time warranty. So, and if I buy through my credit card, the warranty automatically increases. Okay, so I have, these are my mini. Oh, it's so cute. It's a mini slicer. So I think grater, mini grater, slicer, and chopper is here. Look at this picture. I have to do a demo of how to use it as well, because that will be my first time. I have seen food processors, but they used to seem too complicated for me while growing up. Wow, look at that, so cute and so mini. I can carry it to India, who knows. And there's 2 more thingies. I really need an instruction manual for this. They always say before unboxing, before using, always wash it, soap water. It is so small and cute. So this is what it is. It's complicated. So it opens like this. Pulse, and Let me see. This is for the dough. Knead the dough. This is a chute which I can put it, and this is the exit chute. So slice and exit instantly. Let me open it, and I'll be using it tomorrow or maybe today. This is the pusher, which is very important, otherwise your food will get stuck. So now this opens like this. This goes in. All my friends at Infosys have turned into amazing chefs. So I guess it's my turn now. Look. I wish I could make a juice as well. Who knows? So slice it. And oh my gosh, these are the important grades. This is the most important grade, and this is another one. On the sides. Yep. So how do I put the blades? Oh, there is already one. I guess I just have to put it like this. Or the other way. I don't know. Maybe I put this first. And on top of it, like this. And then I put this. See, I figured it out. And then pulse. And we'll chop. I love it. And this is the chocolate. It will slice great. Good job!